Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go on a little family trip and I'm gonna try out a rubber boat for the first time. I'm gonna be fishing while I'm in my boat and I'm actually able to catch a pike. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So today we decided to have a little family trip, and of course, because it's almost summer, I'm gonna try out some fishing today. I got myself a little boat in my backpack. Let's repack. It says that there's some treasure hidden here, so we're gonna be pirates today. I think the fish was not that big. Yeah. The wood cutting areas here. I think there's a bathroom there. It's a pretty good place. Okay, so we have a little mattress here. Then we can keep an open fire here throughout the night. You could fit like 12 people here. Pretty nice. Okay, this is it now. So let's both get a little bit of wood and then I'll go in the water.
Let's
One match tactic, that's what I'm aiming for. Okay, so I just got myself a rubber boat. Let's inflate it for the first time. This one was like really cheap, it was like 25 euros. So it's not gonna be good, but it's gonna be a rubber boat. The instructions seem pretty clear. 1, 2, 3. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will head to the sea. The boat will crash there, yes. Here goes nothing, I guess. So fishing from the shore, I had no luck, so this time I'll try fishing from here. I don't know if you can see, but Ama's there. Okay, keep getting drawn away by the wind this way, so I think I'm gonna try to row that way a bit. There's a lot of seagulls here, so there should be plenty of fish. All you can hear is the seagulls and their little songs. I wonder what's underwater. Let's see. Hopefully that wasn't just all dark. Okay, let's check underwater again. Okay, check out what the lure looks like underwater. Sure. Yet. That bird is making a lot of noise. I'm pretty close to the seagulls now. I think I'll head a bit backwards now. I'm almost hitting the rock now. I think I got it. Yes. No. What? Is it a fish? I think it's a fish. I thought I hit the bottom. I think it's a fish. It's a huge pike! It's a huge pike! What? Come here, you bugger! I got a pike! Yes! Yes! Oh, it's a beautiful pike! Oh. Oh. Oh shit, I'm at the rocks. Oh. Damn. I really wanted to keep that pike, but I almost hit the rocks. And then my line snapped. Shit. Damn. I was already at the rocks and I was afraid that my boat will pop. Okay, I head to the shore now. Noi pojatkin huusi tuolta, nice pike. Is that my sausage?
Yes.
What? Sometimes you have to make sacrifices to save everyone. Siinä se on. So that was our little day trip and my first time using a rubber boat. I'm glad that this time I was actually able to catch a fish. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.